I hope you're not tired, but I hope you're still following me and you're getting the gist of it and it's becoming clearer. Some of you have been to Dubai and you've not thought of any of these things before. You just go take pictures and have fun. Nothing is bad with it. Some of you have an idea of all of these things, but have not had the courage to try to start. So this is the time, and that's why you have access to this training. All right. Please have an action plan in place so that you can get cracking. So the next part we're talking about now is the short term, how to make money from this. It's simple. All you find is just rent a 2-bedroom flat. Let me take you to a website, a 2-bedroom flat, list it on Airbnb, and then you make profit. So remember, we're saying now you don't have money. One of the websites you can do this with is this website called the Dubizzle. All right, the Dubizzle, the dubai.dubizzle.com. I'll leave a link in the description. So what this website see it here is that you can come on here and look for properties. All right, for example, let's say what are we looking for? Residential. Okay, so let's look for this residential. All right, properties for rent to buy. So you can come here, see this is yearly. All right, this person wants this for yearly, 235,000. That's quite a lot. 5 yearly, because it's yearly. If it's monthly, these are for yearly rent. Okay, stunning private pool, 4 bath. This is 600,000 yearly. This is 100,000 yearly. This is 100,000 yearly. So there are quite a number of them. So what you just simply do, just contact any of them, usually via email. If you don't have a Dubai WhatsApp number, please don't bother yourself with that WhatsApp. They will not answer you, really. And the answer you, they might be they will just answer and just leave. So what you need is an email. Now with the email, what you need is to do this is you need a corporate email, and this is the kind of domain I advise you get. Again, if we're setting this up for you, don't bother your head. But if I'm setting up for you, this is what you need to do. Make sure there is Dubai in your URL. It can be peace living in Dubai, luxury. Some of those things can be taken. Just look for something you can use Dubai, to infuse Dubai in it. If you do so, to help the Google algorithm, and also it will help when the person is seeing the email, and the person is seeing Dubai, maybe info at luxury living in Dubai.com. The person is a bit more inclined to answer you. All right, so it's very important here. Please take note. You come on this website and then you look for properties that you feel is one you could work with. Very, very important. All right, and once you have all of that, where is it? And once you have all of that done, you put in your price. So this person is charging, for example, okay, it's a premium. Let's go down and check for non-premium. I'm not saying premium properties. Let's check. It should be one non-premium properties. All right. So okay, I think I'm saying okay. This is okay. This seems okay. So if you divide this by, it's one bathroom. Okay, it's 3 apartments. Okay, so if you divide this by 12, what you get is what you'll be paying per month, and what you need to just mark up. Or if you're enlisting on Airbnb, you can enlist this product on Airbnb. So for example, you can click on it, get the images from here, and go and upload them on Airbnb. The only problem is this is watermarked, so look for properties that are not watermarked. But let's check more pictures so you see how it looks like. So you see, this is quite beautiful. So imagine you have all of this that is not watermarked. There's a website that can remove all this watermark, but I don't want to go into that website yet. But I just assume that this watermark is not there. So you see, you can call this guy immediately or send them an email. Now calling, not all of them speak English, but the majority of them do speak English. So this might not be an option for you. You spend a lot of money doing that. This can be an option if you have a WhatsApp number, a Dubai WhatsApp number. If you don't know how to get that, if you want us to help you get that, we can help you get that. It's difficult to get, trust me. It's really difficult to get, but you can get it. You can get it. It can be done. All right. So pretty much that's so what you do is you mark up the what they are giving you. All right, and when you mark up, that's it. You're good to go. Every other thing is really all you need to do is just start making money and pocketing the difference. That that it's keeping the difference of your markup and make a lot of money from it. All right, so it's really quite a simple process, really, guys. Simple process. Your profit margin can be very nice, can be very good. All right, especially if you are doing this short-term rental, where you then have to now sublet, and all of that. So that's how the profit system works. Now the next question: How do you now become an agent from Nigeria? So for example, you want to become a real estate agent from Nigeria. So we'll be covering this one now. We're here now, becoming an agent and earning commission. This is where we are now. So how do you do all of that is what we're going to talk about.